YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Did y'all peep out that B-roll? All that Econo? Well, we're getting ready to go ahead and use that new pattern of the month. That rose foil, flex foil. Hey yo, so if you're in the squad, hashtag squad, y'all need to go join them. You see me using a t-shirt ruler that I had recently got off Amazon. Now it's been very popular in the group, so I thought why not go and get myself one. Actually, let's take a look at them. So they give you a youth size, a toddler size, adult size, an infant size. And this is the most important one I would say out of the bunch. It's this one, your right chest guide, your left chest guide. And essentially how it works is we're gonna go to the heat press and I'll show you. All right guys, so I have it on my shirt, which just happens to be a long sleeve. And this would be considered like maybe a child size, but I'm just gonna use the one ruler that I have. And you put it right there, dead smack in the center. And it should line up somewhere with the tag. So let's say that we're going to place something on here. Actually, let me scoot it down a little bit. That's a little bit better. What y'all think? But then it's not centered. Okay, so right there, that's confusing. I want to get that all on camera because I've done this before and I already know how to use this. It's just not aligned right. But if you're going to use this, what I would do is I would put it up here. I would start where my logo is going to be at right here at the 4, depending on the size of the shirt. Now this is a small shirt, so that's why it's closer to 4.5 and it's lower. But usually when I do those measurements, I want to have my logo for my collar to at least 4 inches, and the 4 should touch right here. But as you see, there's the center line right there, and it gives you like the different sizes: the 6.5, the 7, the 7.5, the 8 for extra small, small, medium, large, and so on and so forth. And typically, whenever you're using the center of the chest to put yourself, let's say the rose that I'm going to actually be putting on here, you would put it 3 inches down from this collar. And it would land right there. But this helps you keep it centered. I mean, for beginners, I could see using this, but I wouldn't rely solely upon on this. The more exposure you get and the more time that passes, the experience that you gain, you'll be able to get it. And you don't even need a ruler at all. Just takes time. Time makes perfect. Yeah, that part. So you guys remember when I made those stickers? That was with Econo Puff. They had sent me a few samples and I tried them out to do the sticker vinyl video. If you haven't checked that out, it should be either right here or right here. Click on the link. So this is the front of the pattern, Econo Flex Foil. And guess what, y'all? It weeds like butter, baby. Yeah. Just going back down to it. Pinch a corner. I never use my mat, y'all. I am so guilty of not using my mat. But check this out. I mean, I'm getting to the point to where I don't even, like, care. You know what I'm saying? It's going to come out regardless. 2.5 seconds, y'all. Somebody leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me how long it took me to weed that out. I'm not going to weed all the cavities because I actually want to show the rose like this on that shirt. And that's that new pattern, the rose pattern from Econo Flex Foil. Y'all go check my peoples out. Hit that affiliate link down below. It helps the channel to grow. What up, squad? Shouts out to y'all. Without y'all, this wouldn't be possible. I appreciate each and every one of you. So what you just seen was the Econo Heat Transfer Vinyl book. It's a new addition to the family. It shows the new patterns that they got. You can request one at Econotransfers.com. And also, I want to tell you guys about the press time. Medium to firm pressure for 15 seconds at 320 degrees. Make sure you follow the instructions whenever you do get it. It's very vital. So as you can see, I'm using that Amazon 15 by 15 Well Best or Stop Boss. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section what the name of this press is. But it's one of Amazon's cheaper presses at $169 with a steel. We're getting ready to press that. And like I said, for about 15 seconds. Now, they say, I believe you can peel it warm, but I like to press it twice, and then I like to peel it while it's cool. So to me, this would be considered a cool peel. It avoids all the mistakes. And yeah, I made my homemade contraption up here with the Teflon. Y'all know how I do. Gotta make a way when there ain't no way. That thing got a snap to it. Oh, shoot. Forgot. You gotta press the down button for this one. This one is not a manual. There's a couple of things I did and didn't like over this view that we're gonna talk about in the initial press review, the update. But if you need to get the job done, it's there. Then you gotta press that again to stop that beep, and that's another crazy thing. Now there's two reasons why I cut the rows out in detail, and I'm not gonna get into it right now or even in this video. What I'm doing is rubbing it down. Y'all know I like to do the overkill press, right? Well, let's say you're having trouble actually lining up where your next piece needs to go. And it shows where you can put your next piece in, actually, the little cut line. So if you want to do a couple layers, you can. That's a little sneak tip if the vinyl is layerable. So now I've been rubbing this thing cooled down a little bit. Let's peel this off. Check that out. Shiny in some spots, and then it's like got a dull effect to it. It's beautiful. I actually want to leave the majority of the rows in there to show you guys. Let's take it over to the desk to take a better look at it. Yo, before I get to showing the end result, I gotta show some love to the constituents. Cause like I said, without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. Star Dukes, shouts out to you. You a real one. Thanks for joining the squad. We love your contributions. Keep asking questions, keep engagement, keep being great. Letitia Little, you're also a squad constituent. We're glad to have you. Thanks for being part of the squad. Keep showing us your works of art, engaging, and asking questions. Mellow Mayshak, you're a new squad constituent. How you doing? Glad to have you as part of the squad. Without y'all, like I keep saying over and over and over, I sound like a broken record player, don't I? None of the stuff that I'll do will be possible. Big shouts out to y'all. Y'all the real ones. Y'all the real winners. So initially, like I said, I left the cut lines in there as I was going to do a layering job, but usually you pick those out. But if you're having trouble layering, this would be a great way to get your layers right on point without having an issue, especially if it's layerable glitter, y'all. Go check my peoples out at Econotransfers today, y'all. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. I think I got 152 flavors. And by the way, that rose pattern was the flavor of the month. So, yo, go cop some. Tell them Mike sent you. And, you know, keep being great. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing on my end. But from the squad to the YouTube, I'm out.